Hi everyone, this is Dr. Harita, fellow at Vardhan Fertility and Laparoscopy Center. So now today the topic is about antioxidants. Too many people tell us that you eat antioxidant rich food and it will help you in getting pregnant and all. So how do they help and what are these antioxidants firstly? So antioxidants are something which will neutralize free radicals which are produced by our daily activities. There are too many metabolic reactions happening in the body and a lot of free radicals are getting formed, and the number of free radicals are higher in people who smoke or drink or who don't sleep properly or who don't have a proper balanced diet. So in all such people, when the number of free radicals are higher, it will affect the fertility of the person, be it male or female. So these antioxidants will bind to the free radicals which are formed in the body and they will neutralize them. So these antioxidants will help you making your life better and your health will be better. It will improve the texture of the skin, and it also will improve the fertility of the person. So how do they improve? How are they acting? What are they rich in? What are these foods that are rich in antioxidants? Today we'll be talking about 5 seeds which are rich in antioxidants. They are chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds and watermelon seeds. So firstly we'll talk about chia seeds. These chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc and magnesium. How do they help in fertility? They will help in correcting the hormonal imbalance. They will increase the motility of sperms, decrease the oxidative damage of the ovaries and testes. So how should we eat it? These chia seeds are usually eaten soaked. You'll have to soak them for at least 15 to 20 minutes in a glass of water, and it usually forms a gel-like consistency once you soak them properly. These can be added into smoothies, yogurt, oats, and you can eat it, or you can just eat them like that with water. You can just drink them. When should we eat it? These are better when taken empty stomach or in the mornings. So next it is about flax seeds. These flax seeds are rich in lignanes, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. So how do they help in fertility is the next thing. These will balance the estrogen levels, improve the egg and sperm quality and decrease the inflammation and oxidative stress. So when should we eat them? These flax seeds, usually take 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and they're grounded into powder. This powder can be added into smoothies or in an oatmeal or into curd or salads. You can just sprinkle them on salads and eat. When should we eat it? Mornings or as a mid-morning snack, it is better if you eat them. So next it is about pumpkin seeds. What are they rich in? Zinc, vitamin E, selenium and antioxidants. How do they help in increasing fertility, or how does it help a person? It will increase the production of sperms and also it will increase the testosterone production. It will increase progesterone levels in women and it also increases the ovarian function. When should we eat these pumpkin seeds? Usually 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, either raw or roasted, can be eaten as such as a snack, or you can just add them into salads. So which is a better time to eat these pumpkin seeds? It's usually eaten as an evening snack or during mid-morning as a snack. Coming to sunflower seeds, what are they rich in? They are rich in fatty acids, selenium and vitamin E. So how do they help in fertility? They will increase the production of progesterone and they'll also support in luteal phase. They'll increase the quality of sperm and eggs. So how do they eat this sunflower seeds? The sunflower seeds, 1 or 2 tablespoons are taken. They can be eaten roasted or raw as an afternoon or an evening snack. Watermelon seeds. These watermelon seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, antioxidants and selenium. They are also rich in iron. So how do they help in fertility? They'll increase the motility and they'll also increase the count of sperms. They'll increase the blood supply to the uterus and into to the uterine lining. So when do we eat them? How should we eat? They're usually eaten as an afternoon snack. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of watermelon seeds and you can just eat them like that without adding it to anything. They taste good also.